Hello, kids. Look at this cute dog. He's wearing a blue hat and a police badge. Let's meet him. His name is Chase. Chase lives in a small, friendly animal town. And guess what? He's the leader of the animal rescue squad whenever someone is lost or hurt. Chase and his team jump into action. One sunny morning, Chase was eating his breakfast when suddenly a tiny bird flew in and shouted, "Help! A little bunny is lost!" Chase dropped his spoon, put on his blue hat, and blew his whistle. Whee! Rescue team, let's go! One by one, his team arrived. The calm turtle, the smart hedgehog, the adventurous cat, and of course, brave Chase. Their first clue, a tiny paw print near the river. Chase sniffed the ground and said, "These are bunny tracks. This way, team." They ran through trees, jumped over rocks, followed every clue, until suddenly the turtle pointed and said, "Look, there he is." The little bunny was stuck in a bush and crying. Chase walked up slowly and said, "Don't worry, little one, we're here to help you." With the team's help, they moved the branches and set the bunny free. The bunny smiled and said, "Thank you, Chase, you're my hero." Chase laughed and said, "We're always stronger together." When they returned to town, everyone clapped and cheered for the team. And from that day on, whenever kids had a problem, they knew all they had to say was Chase, and the brave pup in the blue hat would come running to help.